with redwood trees like the mild and wet weather, because, you know, that's how it's been across parts of Britain in the last month or so. Certainly the last couple of weeks have been so wet. We've already had about a month's worth of rainfall in some areas, and we're not even through the first half of March. And also with these northerly winds, Friday night into Saturday morning, there will be a touch of frost. So we're still in that time of the year where we could have some pretty decent frost. In fact, in some spots, it could be minus 4 degrees Celsius first thing on Saturday morning. Here's the outlook. So rather a lot of rain clouds on the horizon. Won't be raining all the time, but as you can see, it is generally on the mild side.
Good afternoon. Today is thankfully a lot drier than yesterday, but Tuesday's heavy and persistent rain led to localised flooding across several areas of London. In fact, Heathrow, Wisley and Northolt have all exceeded their average rainfall totals for March already this month. Now, there is more rain in the forecast, but thankfully not for today. It's cloudy, it's mild and it's breezy. But
hello there, a very good evening to you. Hope you had a lovely day. The squirrels certainly did. And in fact, that was yesterday in the rain, so today must have been an absolute riot. Tomorrow we've got some sunny spells around, particularly in the morning, but a few showers possibly cropping up as well. It's a little bit unsettled as we go into Friday. Again, the risk of some further showers, but it's quite mild at the moment by day and by night.
I'm not sure we're going to want to look out the window at the moment with all this rain.
No, I'm sure these window cleaners are as fed up with the rain as the rest of us, Sophie. Now, last night I told you about how wet it's been in the southeast of England, and there's still a lot of water around, but the rain has stopped for a while and we saw temperatures of 15 degrees here in the southeast. The wet weather though today has been further north and into Wales, North Wales, in Snowdonia at Capel Cirrig. It's normally pretty wet in March, but a good chunk of that March rainfall has fallen in 12 hours today and it's still raining.
And thankfully the rain seems to have eased off a little bit today and the daffs are out.
Even after all these years, Riz, the weather is still a bit of a mystery to me now and again. Yes, the rain has stopped, as you say, which is good. We're all fed up with the rain, aren't we? Northolt in West London has had a month's worth of rain already, and we're not even halfway through March. But it has turned drier. We did dry off today. There's still a lot of water on the ground, but it was drier today. The rain stopped falling. There was more colour in the daffodils than there was in the sky. It was pretty cloudy out there today. But tomorrow, I'm hopeful that we should see more sunshine, brighter skies, and as a result, temperatures may well be a bit higher.
Hello, thanks for joining me. It's been quite a cloudy day across most of the UK today, some rain too, but it's been mild. And if anything, the temperatures are expected to rise a little further as we head into Thursday.
I think you think there's warmer weather on the way, don't you?
I know.
I think you know.
It's good. I do. Yes, there are some changes developing at the moment. The rest of this week is going to be, I'd say, noticeably milder, particularly across the south. This is our air mass chart. You can see that warmer air feeding up from the south, and that's going to help temperatures climb quite a few degrees above average for the time of year. So let's take a quick check on today, where it's been 15.4 degrees Celsius. That was in Lincolnshire. But by the time we get to this coming weekend, on Sunday in particular, it could be up to 17 degrees Celsius. But do notice, I always try and match the weather pictures with the forecast, and I'm afraid it's not going to be sunny over this coming weekend. There will be a fair bit of cloud cover as well. So although it's going to be mild, perhaps not the sunshine, but actually if we do get the sunshine, there's a bit of ozone depletion at the moment, so that could cause you to burn quicker. OK, so let's take a look at the next few days in a lot more detail. And as we head through the rest of this week, often at times, as I hinted before, it is going to be quite grey and overcast. Further out breaks of rain, but mild by day, but also at night time as well. It's possible that some of our nighttime temperatures could be around our daytime average, if not a little bit higher.